Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. We're going to have another go at trying to get this little beast up and running. Probably be the last time I try and get it running before I decide whether or not to strip it down. So if I don't get it running this time, I'm going to take it apart. Probably. We'll see. We'll see how the video goes first. So with that, shall we get on with it? So I'm going to change the RAM just in case, and some old DDR2. So we changed the RAM. I've tested this hard drive SSD, it works fine, so it should in theory be okay. So the next thing is, oh, I left the bridge off. I thought I'd best leave that off. So get a power connection to it. So we have power, so let's fire up, shall we? I'm just going to power up first just to see if it's running. Oh, bit of dust coming out there. So we've got bleeps, that didn't sound too good. We've got lights. Turn it off. What we're going to do is plug it into the monitor and see what happens. Right, shall we give it a try then? I'll put the SLI bridge back on because I thought if it's going to start, I might as well try it with that on. So both graphics cards are linked up together. The hard drive I put in, the SSD one, I stuck Windows 10 on it just in case it starts up. And if it doesn't start up, at least I've got a copy on my little SSD. So with that, we'll give it a go. So I'll power it up, and then what I'll do, I'll move the camera in on the screen to see if anything happens. Let's go for it. Oh! We have bits. Oh! Wow, she lives again. Look at that, straight into Windows. Well, that surprised me. Who's the man? Well, not bad since he's been sitting about for 6 years. We don't have a product key. So anyway, what I'll do is I'll install Windows 10, and I will do a bench test to see what it performs like compared to say my other main computer, or even that one down there. Probably do it on my main computer. I'll compare them to see what it comes out like. So that's it for this part. Thank you very much for watching. I might stick the results in on this video rather than make another video. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so yeah, if you have any comments before I carry on, whether I should completely strip it out and put a brand new system in there, let me know. I'll just keep the water pump and the radiators because there's nothing wrong with them. And if I do decide to do it all up, I'll change all the pipes to smaller piping and hopefully do a neater job. So let me know in the comments what you think. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Yes, she lives.